Hey everybody, I'm Danielle, and yeah, I'm gonna do another makeup look today. Kind of an under eye look, inspired by somebody I follow on Instagram. I will link them down below. And it's the last of the 6 drawings here, so I'm kind of excited, and I'll probably be drawing more. All right, so it's downturned. I also want to use my Juvia's Place stuff. I think I'm just gonna use the purple. The purple's in this palette. Wow. The Nubian Royal palette. Look how pretty. I think I'm gonna use this lavender color from here. And then I'm also looking for a blue, which I'm not sure if I use this blue. I don't think it was this blue in the Warrior palette. I think it was this blue in the Wahala palette. Let's just take a look, see? Yeah, I think I was gonna use this one. This blue and that lavender. This blue is called Wicked. I'm excited. All right, let me just start off by saying that I just brushed my teeth. I just washed my hands. I'm going to put this away. And what am I gonna do first? I'm gonna put on some SPF Day Solution. I'm trying to use this up before I move, so I'm gonna put on a buttload of it. Okay, I'm also gonna use, because I'm doing my under eye here, and I'm gonna keep it, I'm going to a nice lunch with my parents, so I'm gonna just keep it not too raccoony, but I do want to cover this entire area, like from where my nails are and up, with this, what is this called? Pro Primer, high definition eyeshadow primer. I see a brand on it, or maybe the brand is, oh no, it's LA Girl. And I guess I haven't cleaned it since I used it last, so let's wipe the crap off of it. Yes. And so I want to just go in to my under eye and get my mirror. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Now we're primed. I'm gonna come into the very inner corners with this highlighter, which wasn't in my drawing, but I think it'll look pretty if I could open it. Okay, here we go. This is a Nomad Illuminated Highlighting Powder. It's got like a gold undertone, which I think will look nice with the cool tones that I'm gonna be using in the under eye. This will be like a contrast. Normally I use my fingers for this, but my nails have just been getting in my way lately, so pretty. I might want to use a slightly bigger brush for this purple. So let me grab this one. Okay. And I'm going to use this lavender here, and I'm going to take it pretty much to like the end of my what are those things called? My iris. So I'm just dipping, should show you. I like to keep the powder on the outer edges and not like dig it into the palette, you know? But I do want a lot on my brush because this is a lighter color and I want to really pack it on and make sure it could blend. There's enough to blend into the blue. So I'm gonna just pat this on. Getting it in my creases too. I think I'm gonna use the same brush for the blue. I don't know, do other people keep these little plastic things in their palettes? I mean, I do. I think it keeps them cleaner. But let me know down below. All right. think I need some more purple. This is coming out really cute, I think. Give me a minute. I need to find a liner for my waterline. I'm thinking of blue or purple. Yeah, maybe a purple. Hold on. Well, it has to be blue because I couldn't find my purple. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put this blue in my waterline. Looks cool already. One sec. All right, now I'm going to do a little liner with this very tiny brush and my Mehron, I don't know, Mehron makeup. So let me just open this, and I have a little cup of water. So I kind of want to do puppy liner. It just follows this where the blue ends and up a little bit to my iris, but it never turns out the way I think, so I always end up doing more, and we'll see how that goes. See, like maybe just this side of my eye, like it goes down to an angle that this eye doesn't, which, you know, I'm not symmetrical. So let's just try to bring this down just a tad. I feel like that's better. And I'll clean up the edges after and make this a little less low. Let's see where, I'm gonna try to look straight forward into my mirror and mark. I want the color, the liner to end at the end of my iris. So I think it's there. Can't see that in the camera, but I could see it from here. So let's just try to match it up. That's kind of cute. I really just gotta clean up this little bloop. And in order to do that though, it should be dry. So let me make sure this is dry first. All right, so like the other videos, I'm just gonna take some of my, what is this? My sunscreen day solution moisturizer thing. I'll put it on my back of my hand, and I use a little Q-tip. And I douse it in there, but I don't want like a huge glob. I just want to get it wet enough so that it'll take this off. So let's try. It's a little smudgy. Let me turn the cotton ball and get the rest off. Okay, better. Now I'm gonna use the other side of the Q-tip, and this is running off my hand. And now I'm gonna clean up underneath here because I feel like this went out too far. We can fix this. Yeah, okay. Let's try with a new Q-tip because I dirtied both sides of that. All right, getting a little moisturizer on here. Let's see how to match the two. I feel like I know where I have to come over. All right, now that that's good, I'm gonna clean up where the purple is. Oh. Well, that is cool. I don't want this. Fabulous. I really like this. So what am I gonna do next? I think I want to do my foundation next. And in order to do that, I'm gonna put some more moisturizer. Wow, I have like a spaz attack. This is a different moisturizer. I'm just gonna use a little on my finger. I like to put this on my forehead and right here because this is like my driest spot. It's like right on my crease of my nose. I'm gonna use my Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 222 True Beige. I have that other flavor 228, but sometimes I think it's like too yellow. You can see them together. The glass is hard to see. Whatever. I'm gonna put this on my finger as well. Cool. Now I'm going to, I feel like that's plenty. And now I'm gonna put on some mascara. Oh my goodness, did I just do that? I totally did. Poked myself in the eye and ruined the under eye makeup. But we're gonna salvage it, okay? We're going to salvage it. It's going to be fine. Kind of looks cool, actually. Maybe I could try to mimic it on this side without hurting myself. I kind of really like it. Shit. All right, let's finish the mascara though. Okay. All right. I might go downstairs and straighten my hair a little bit, but I'm done. And I'm not gonna clean up that mascara now that it matches on both sides. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me know down below if you care, if it's cool, if you trust a look like this, and also check out the makeup artist that inspired this on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.